In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Loop, navigating through a plethora of your work documents. Finding exactly what you're looking for can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, right? Well, Microsoft Loop aims to simplify that process for you, making searching through your workspaces and documents as straightforward as tapping a few keys. Let's dive into how you can leverage the search functionality within Microsoft Loop to streamline your work process. First off, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Loop website. Once there, the initial step is to sign into your account. Simply click on the Sign In button, enter your email and password, and hit Next. This will grant you access to your Microsoft Loop dashboard, where all your spaces and documents are neatly arranged. Once you're signed in, navigate to your workspace. Your workspace is essentially where all your documents and collaborative projects reside. Think of it as your digital workbench where all your tools and materials, in this case documents and collaborations, are spread out. Next, you need to select a specific page within your workspace that you want to search in. This could be any document or section where you believe the information you're seeking is located. It's like choosing a book off the bookshelf before flipping through its pages. Now here comes the crucial part, utilizing the search function. On the page you'll notice a magnifying glass icon, usually located at the top or side of your screen. This is your doorway to finding anything within your Loop workspace. Click on this magnifying glass icon to bring up the search bar. In the search bar, type in the keywords or phrases related to the content you're looking for. The beauty of Microsoft Loop's search functionality is its ability to sift through a mountain of content to bring up exactly what you need, saving you the hassle of manually combing through documents. As you type, suggestions and results will begin to appear. These are dynamically generated based on the text you've entered. Lastly, from the presented search results, simply click on the one that matches what you were looking for. Microsoft Loop will then take you directly to that section or piece of content within your workspace. And there you have it, a straightforward, hassle-free way to search within Microsoft Loop. Remember, effectively utilizing the search function can dramatically boost your productivity by cutting down the time you spend looking for information, allowing you to concentrate more on your actual work. Happy searching!